Hi guys, Tyler with MarineMax Houston. Today I'm on this Sea Ray 290 SDX. This boat's got super cool sun pad lounger option on the back. Got cup holders, storage. These do recline a little bit further. So if you want to lay out while you're at the sandbar, this is a great spot to do that. Additionally, on the swim platform, you've got a flip down kind of swim platform area. Puts you about a foot underwater so you can sit on there and hang out, and it's an easier way to get on and off the boat. As we make our way forward into the boat, you'll see right on my starboard side is a nice summer kitchen area. You've got a Kenyan electric grill, a sink basin, as well as an electric fridge. Behind here, you've got access to your engine compartment, where you can see this boat is powered by an 8.2 liter Mercruiser engine. Super great, fun, powerful platform for this boat. You've got a nice L-shaped sofa, couch, entertainment area with a teak table. You can pull this teak table out and remove it if you'd rather have it stowed and just more floor space. You've got storage underneath. It's a good spot to put throwables, skis, anything like that. Up in the helm area, you've got two double wide seats. These do flip forward and back. The bolsters do come up. And then on top of that, this driver one actually goes forward as well. On the port side, you've got a nice storage bin, keys, wallet, phones, those types of things. And you've also got super nice large head compartment with a pump out head and a sink, as well as some counter space. In between the two, got a nice flip out air dam, as well as a windshield to give you better protection on those super windy or cold days. Now that we're up at the bow, you'll see it's a super spacious, wide bow area. This is the largest SDX boat that Sea Ray makes. You got nice flip down armrests, cup holders below, speakers. Got more cup holders here, as well as LED strip lighting in the floor and another floor locker area. And then at the very nose, you'll see we've got our windlass anchor, as well as a freshwater shower. So you can rinse off that anchor or rinse off yourself once you get out of the water. If you're interested in a boat like this one, please feel free to give me a shout. I'd be happy to take care of you.